discussing first what AMS means
resolution
in
ng
terms of
puntos
finance.
sa tab.
So, okay. Maaraw pa siya. Okay. What does AMS mean? So first, a more visible financial stake. Second, stronger finance associates. And third, modifications in the current financial system. Given these needs, here are my plans. So, first, transparency and information. So, transparency is accountability. I want projects to be accountable for the money that they spend. Make sure that your projects are worth spending for. Next. Next, information is power. So I want to advocate a sort of equality here within the members of the organization by knowing the same information regarding finance stock in our organization. Okay, so next, making finance a thing. So I'm planning midterm bulletins regarding the financial state of AMS and trying to make it a little more fun in a language that the members can understand. So this change is kind of an ideal change. So with that, we need a basis, which is a financial system. So I was lucky enough to be part of an SPC best practices session as a MAFE member. I was sent there to get marketing strategies, but instead I found myself amidst Secretary Generals and finance officers of other organizations. So there I learned about how they handle finance in their organizations. And I thought how AMS can compare to these systems. So as a math organization, I think that it is just right for AMS to work towards perfecting its financial system one step at a time. So first is a semestral budget hearing. So with the semestral budget hearing, I do not only intend to make projects be prudent in their spending. I would like to also give more weight in the planning and defending your plans rather than pure execution, just spending and spending money. Next, earlier submission of financial documents. So this is to avoid the immobilization of money. Next, and lastly, simplified financial documents. This is for easier and cleaner work. Okay, so with templates, systems, and rules, the more important aspect of an organization is its people, where all of the work comes from. So with this, my next platform is Empowered Associates. Mafia is more than just marketing because being a member last year, I think it focused more on the marketing side and the finance side kind of got left out. So systems are worth it now. People sentenced to implement it, and Empowered Associates call for not only efficiency but also for pooling of ideas and the will of people to contribute to the organization. This is what makes an organization grow. So with that, we are rooted in a stronger people base. Okay, so I aim to train them by drills and orienting them with processes, and perhaps for the more experienced members, creating these processes with them. Next is equip them with kits, documents, and specifying deadlines for everything that they have to do. And next, and with all of that, training and being equipped, you can give them good roles because you believe that they can manage the project financing in